Hello guys, welcome to our unboxing video. I received this package from TEMU and I want to open it and see. I ordered some things for my daughter's birthday. She's a Valentine's Day. So let's unbox. Let's unbox. Let's know what's inside. Okay. Number one on my list is this. Oof, let me see what is that. Aww. So I got this shoe for her. As you can see it. You know, it has Mom, stop jumping. It has 4 inside. Okay, this is size 30, so I think you to size her. Then let's open and see. Let's open and see. Ooh. Yeah, see that? Yeah, take a good. Say, mommy, thank you. Take. Very beautiful. Then this, I ordered this. Who has okay, this is for me. This is for me. No. I ordered this for myself. I don't have pants. Mama, no jumping, please.
Okay.
I think you should size me. I needed something free.
Okay.
Then I layer
Okay.
Why is it no jumping, please. This is another one. Okay, this is it's in soft winter jacket for my daughter. This one is soft though. This one is too soft. Oh, wow. Anyway, it's nice. She's gonna put it on. She has 2, but I needed another one so that she can be changing. So that she can be changing. Not if she will want this and everything. And I like fabric. Then this is for me. This is for me. Soft. This is soft. I love the feeling. Soft. No jumping, please.
Okay.
It's very soft. Then last, no jumping. Take, come. What is this? Mama, no jumping. Go and call daddy for me. Daddy, where are you? No jumping, please. What is this? Let me see what this is. I've forgotten what.
Why?
Oh. See how they package it. These are like guts. Can you guys see it? Guts. The one I have is not shiny, so I want to try this. I saw it online and I said, let me try it. If it's going to be shiny. This is just a top coat. Okay, I ordered this ring light too. This one makes use of this USB, so I have power bank, so I'll just power it. Make my pictures bright. I'm going to test it. Hey, look at how small the thing is. Just press it. It does the job. Ooh, this is very small. Ooh. Okay. I'm going to test it. This is the USB cord. We'll test it. How did you package this in against it? Just package. Let me pack it one side first. Then, this is hand blown. This is hand glove for my daughter. I misplaced our other hand glove. So I'm going to buy another one for her. Oh, this one is small. This is small. It's one size fits. Okay, it's expandable. Okay. So I got this. And then this zipper. My traveling box zipper is spoiled, so I got this to replace it.
Why? Now me going that don't know why did you do
So you hook it.
Take the way.
You hook it like this. And then you need to zip. So that's all for now. That's all we're gonna unbox today. See you in my next video. Bye.